Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Monday 27 May 2024. Today I will be trading long Euro, Pound and New Zealand, and short US Yen and Swiss. And at the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Let's start with the dollar index finding resistance at the level which I've been worried about. We saw some bullishness closing above, and that got me into a feeling of that might just be a very bullish move, but alright. Now the market gave up on some news. I can see the dollar is fighting here with a neutral negative scenario. It was just red and then it's gray and then it's red again. So it is coming down slightly. So between a rock and a hard place, between the moving averages and that resistance level, I guess we will have to wait and see. It's Monday. Let's see tomorrow morning if we can find better direction or something better from what we see here. For now, I can't really take a direction. We got the short-term bearish, medium long-term bullish. The short-term there is neutral, or the intraday is neutral. So very difficult decision to make what to do. Let's see this afternoon at earliest. Gold just consolidating sideways on the daily charts. It's forming sort of a small real body here. Well, it's a small real body, but I was hoping for a morning star, and I think it could still be. If it closes above the halfway mark there, I think the end of day charts would then be a morning star, and then we can consider taking some longer term positions. But on the weaker dollar, that is good news for gold. All right, trend seems to want to go negative, so we have to keep an eye on that. So very hard reading the markets this morning for me in general. Bitcoin going sideways, Ethereum ETF suddenly approved out of the blue on Friday. There's still some work to be done before they can start trading. At this stage they can't start trading yet. There's still some S forms or something that must be completed, but the ETF out of the blue approved on Friday, and a stunning run on Ethereum. But the rest is still the same as I've discussed in all my previous videos. I'm not going to bore you with the same details. Let me move on to the currency markets. Aussie yen, Aussie neutral, yen red zone, interested in a long, waiting for that 61% retracement down there. It's right on those levels. Couldn't get into the trade. So that's a little bit of a difficult one. What we can look at is a double bottom eventually, but it's way off the entries there. So let's see. Close above that. That's a double bottom. That could be a long setup, but most likely we're going to be right at resistance levels, and I don't like to really trade that. But it won't be completely wrong as long as the RS stays fine. Then the US Swiss need a retracement to the 61%. Yes, that's now if the dollar keeps getting stronger. But at this stage, it seems like it wants to get weaker. But that's one of those options. If we can get a breakout, remember the Swiss is very weak. Breakout, it's busy forming a flat top triangle. It needs to test 4 times and 3 times and then break on the 4th attempt. So I think I'm a little bit early with this, but something I'll be watching. A retest here, candle reversal, or then the breakout, the retest, and the candle reversal. And the pound yen, almost a hammer candle there on Friday. It was a very nice bullish candle, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't fit the rules 100%. So another retracement back to 61% Fibonacci. That should be good. Pound green zone, yen red zone, so all good there, no problems with that. But we have to wait for a retracement. I cannot buy up there. And the pound US, almost like a morning star here, but that black candle was just too small for me to say, okay, let's go with the trade. So stepped aside. Sorry on both of them. I didn't do any of those 2 pound moves, unfortunately. Pound green zone, dollar red zone. So I'm 100% comfortable with a long here, but not from those levels. I'm going to need another retest here of the 61% level, and then I'll consider yet again. And the US yen. US yen, the retest 50%. You can see the swing there. Retracement there 50%. That I'm interested in. US yen getting, you see, with the yen and the Swiss swapping around and the Aussie and the US keep on swapping around, the probability of this trade is fading a little bit for me. But I'll keep it on my list and see maybe this afternoon or tomorrow morning I can do something there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Inside BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Inside BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based, 24/7 reporting solution. For more information, check out the link in the description. Pound CAD, pound green zone, CAD neutral zone. There's a lot of strong CAD news coming out, so a little bit nervous, but pound very, very, very strong. So I'll see how it responds here at this level between the 50 and 61%. If I get a good bullish response on a nice bullish candle reversal, I'll then consider some longs. FTSE, same as Friday. Nice swing down the page, retracement back to 61%. That's what I'm after. I'm just waiting for that level to be tested. Once it's tested, then a strong candle reversal, I'll consider some shorts. You can see here with the pound so strong, trend has turned bearish, that stock market negative on a strong pound, so I really consider some shorts here on the FTSE. In the New Zealand yen, also forming a flat top triangle, tested 1, 2, 3 times, selling off a little bit. Now the fourth attempt. New Zealand, all the sparkle, so definitely want to be long New Zealand. I just don't want to buy right here. I will buy on the break, the retest and the candle reversal. Yen almost bottom of the pile, so very negative on the yen and very bullish on the New Zealand, so let's hope there for the best. Then my favorite trade idea for today is the long on the euro US, with the dollar now weakening again, euro strengthening everywhere. We see a big consolidation pattern here, so very nice breakout, retest, candle reversal. I'm definitely interested in this one. You can see a strong trend coming in. You got the strong run up here, consolidation, strong run up, consolidation. So I hope for another break and another strong run up the page. After last week, I need some good trades. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.